Still grumpy?
Yes, always.
Okay, until Lauren gets in a better mood, I'm gonna show you something that's gonna bring up your mood much higher. Look at this! It's Blue, our new puppy. Well, Marta's and Pablo's new puppy. But look how chill he is, just vibing in the back seat. And he has grown a lot since the last time that you probably have saw him. Definitely since I saw him. I've been gone for like a week to Croatia. And he's so much bigger. Hello, hello. And he knows many more tricks. But yeah, I guess let him chill. Maybe when he comes out we can have a play with him. But first, quick update on what's happening here. So we have the Golf 8 GTI. Well, Lauren has a Golf 8 GTI. Is it the facelift model? No. Oh, it's the last one. It was like the last week.
The very last one in the world, no. One of the last ones, I guess, yeah.
So what's happening?
We're trying to keep the brakes cool, huh?
Yeah. Big DRS wing.
Yeah. No, I don't think
so.
No? I think it would do a wheelie.
A wheelie?
And then it wouldn't go forward anymore.
Big front splitter then.
Yeah, that would probably be more beneficial. I don't know.
Yeah.
We'll have to do some simulations.
Let's see how the brakes work now.
Yeah, I think that's the main.
And then we go from there. We can do.
Did you print the brakes already?
Yeah.
Ah, hello. So, our very first brake cooling duct. I mean, we printed a couple of ducts for the Speedster, but thanks to our not only massive 3D printer, we also have a smaller one from a resin. We can 3D print all completely custom applications for brake coolings for whichever car. And of course model.
Already installed.
There's one already installed. How convenient. As if you knew I was going to be filming. Very nice. So how did you make it? Just like with
basically you have two bolts here. Two retaining clips. Take them off. Two M6s, bolt in. No modifications needed.
Nice. So straight on, and then yeah, obviously it channels air from there to the bottom, there to the brake disc. Are you gonna be doing some testing now, or you done some testing?
I don't know if I'm gonna take it on track even this season, but maybe next year.
Okay.
Let's see.
All right.
It's not that big, right? I think it will be beneficial, but I don't know how much effect it will have.
It will bring air to the disc, and it's gonna eventually. The more flow you have, the better it is. Yeah. So for example, the same with the Porsches, they have the cooling duct coming from here and it goes basically in this area here. Unfortunately, because I didn't want to have anything to be modified.
Yeah, exactly, that's the thing. Like if you would modify more parts,
of course,
then you could direct it more to the center of the disc and then it would distribute the cold air through the whole disc, right?
Exactly. But I wanted this to be a bolt-on kit that basically you can do it on the floor of your home. Yeah. You take it off, it's literally two bolts.
And honestly, you could do this with a car jack.
Yeah, exactly. And let's see if it works. If it doesn't work, then we can do stage 2, let's say. Yeah. Which is maybe bring it all the way up front. The only problem with the McPherson suspension is that you have the whole system that it's very tied up together. Yeah. So the other option would be to angle this up in here. Yeah. Like this, but we see. This is the simpler solution, the most effective for the installation point. Yeah.
Amazing. Well, we'll do some testing next week then. By now you can do the testing on the road to see if it stays on the spot, which is also important.
Yeah, we're going to do some off-roading, hardcore testing. There you go. clearance test.
Yes. Okay. See ya.
See ya.
In other news, tomorrow there's a track day and the weather predictions are getting rainy from 12 o'clock, which is not ideal because not only am I driving taxi, but I also wanted to do some laps with the Speedster with the new Aero and also a couple of other mods because I mentioned previously the car's been dynoed, 325 horsepower at the wheels. It has new tires as well from Vulcan CRS. The other ones are already like 1.5 years old. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. And then also there might be a special car that will be driving tomorrow's track day. So quite busy, but the weather is typical Nürburgring weather, late season of Eiffel. Oh, by the way, so it finished the printing of the plug. Yep. Let's have a look. Are you happy? Look, need to work on that hip flexibility, mobility.
I'm getting old.
Yeah. You're not even 30 yet, so shut up.
Yeah, but 40 physically. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna have a surface here, a surface back here, and then some bodywork, and of course the other side that's been printing now. And the splitter mold top half is gonna be made.
Yeah. So from carbon fiber.
Yeah.
This basically, and then underneath some wear pads and some extra goodies.
No, this is just the top half of the mold.
Yeah. Ah, okay.
Then the bottom half is gonna be all the way back here, and you're gonna have the second half of the mold with the panel and foam core and all the reinforcement needed for the splitter to be made.
Nice. So what's the ETA on that?
As soon as this finishes printing, then
Which is gonna be in like what, 30 hours? Oh yeah, I guessed it almost correct.
29 hours.
Yeah, 29 hours.
Then we do. We're waiting for the foam material, and then.
So then we CNC stuff, the foam, and then bring it all to make molds.
Yeah.
Cool, cool. All right. So stay tuned for next week's updates. All right, so let's do some not traffic jam, but yellow flag traffic jam car spotting. We have a Miata. We have, I don't even know, a Hyundai or something? E36. Then AC Schnitzer RSR M240 or no, M2, yeah. From Zagreb, maybe he has Chivapi, GR Yaris. E92, Swift, very up close. Oh, we can actually see the reflection of ourselves. You can guess the car we are driving. Well, not me driving, I'm passengering, that's why I'm filming. Hello, Team Broke.
Hello.
With a new diff.
Yep.
Does it make a difference?
Yeah, it does.
I think
For
it does as well, because T13 wouldn't go sideways.
No, not really.
Here's some more traffic jam spottings. A Golf and ooh, E61. Did you see what Chris Harris done to the interior of his E61 M5? He put, I don't know how the material is called, insert here, there's a special name for it, but it's like the old school S-Class and the old school cars and like a nice rust color. It was sick. I loved it. I applaud Chris Harris for being awesome on track and off the track. Okay, we have also FL5 behind us, yeah, and GT3 RS and another 240 and lots of barrier damage inspections. Oh, and there's a car standing sideways on the track that I'm of course not allowed to show you, so we're going to continue filming out of the mirror to see if we can spot something else. So, fast forward on the main straight. We have 24/7 performance development car, probably with Christian driving. Hola! Hey, Misha! Hey! Beautiful. There's a fancy Abarth popcorn machine.
Foxhole Performance.
Yeah, I never heard of that one. Hello! Wing game. More wing game. TF car park spotting from the other side of the fence.
You want to go for a lap around the car park?
Yeah, let's do that. Let's do some car spotting through there. Hey! Long time no see.
Yeah, how are you?
Good, you?
See you next season.
Yes, please. Is the Swift ready?
Take care, yeah.
Perfect. So many people. Alright, so we have, oh look at that, wing, big wing. Oh, look at that splitter, yes. Look at that paint job, all the way from Portugal. Portuguese sun was not really kind to it. Then we have some lot more parking. It's a Corvette, fantastic. So beautiful. Is that it? No, it's a GT3. I want to say RX-8, don't ask me why. Sorry. Pretzel. Then more traffic jams. Ooh, look at that Noble!
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah.
White Body 1 series.
Where?
On the side, this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And it has a M2 comp nose.
Yep. An M2 comp fenders rear.
Yeah. Beautiful. Interesting. That's actually a very nice and tasty conversion. 36. Ford GT4. Simon doing big business. Yes. If you give me £1, I'm gonna give you next week £10. Sounds like a deal, mate? And there might be some terms and conditions involved, but I guarantee you the low interest rates, and they go, your investment gonna go high up. That's probably what he's saying. GT3s, GT3s. Ooh, hello. That's actually a very nice angle to film from. I like it. We should do more of this. And that is kind of it. And just to avoid that this vlog does not end abruptly, tomorrow, this video gets published today. I think it will be published today. Tomorrow, on Friday the 18th of October, the new 992.2 GT3 will be released. So I guess I'll make a video about it to give you some opinion. Just a reminder, we have a kit for development for the 0.1, which will be, I think, extra interesting now that the 0.2 will be coming out. So the 0.1 is getting out of warranty, etc, etc. So yeah. Anyway, stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, etc, etc. Food shot. Food shot. Food shot. Here's a peanut. A bag of peanuts. These nuts, that's a food shot.
Tomorrow's Thursday.
There's always that guy that needs to ruin it. I wanted to publish this video tomorrow, so I guess day after tomorrow. Whatever, we'll figure out when we publish it on the 18th. That's when the car is gonna come out, and we might say a thing or two. Maybe new lap record, who knows?